Oregon Office of Emergency Management. I just want to speak real briefly to the Governor's declaration. The Governor, in consultation with our office and the Adjutant General for the state of Oregon, made the decision to do a declaration of emergency in support of our partners in Marion and Polk County. This does a couple of things for us administratively. It allows us to access state resources like the Oregon National Guard. We recognize that the National Guard had a pretty important resource available that we can make available to the City of Salem and Marion County to support their response efforts as they deal with this water service issue. It also allows us to make other state resources that may be requested by the local partners available should that need arise. This particular declaration also included language regarding an abnormal market disruption in response to reports of price gouging for folks paying really exorbitant amounts of money for bottles or cases of water. So this declaration of emergency allows the Department of Justice to investigate those claims, and we certainly encourage citizens who may have been impacted or experienced retailers trying to take advantage of folks impacted by this emergency to report those instances and provide whatever documentation they can to the Department of Justice. In short, if you're a retailer selling water, knock it off. Charge fair prices, charge the prices you were charging last week for the water. Be good partners, be good neighbors, and help out this community that's struggling to deal with this particular issue. The declaration was valid as of this morning, but I believe the price gouging issue goes back to when the abnormal market disruption occurred, which would have been on Tuesday. I also want to advise the State Emergency Coordination Center has been active for the last 48 hours to support our partners, and the support aspect of what we're doing is really key. This remains a locally managed, state-supported event. We are getting direction from Marion County and the City of Salem and working to support their efforts to manage this particular issue. In addition to supporting their efforts, we're coordinating state agency responses, working with Department of Human Services, Oregon Health Authority, Department of Agriculture, the rest of our family in the Oregon Military Department to include the National Guard, and supporting public messaging initiatives both at the state level and in support of public messaging and outreach at the local level. That's all I've got for prepared comments, so I'll take a couple